Hey everyone, this Sunday we are continuing our series in the Gospel of Luke, and we're going to be in chapter 12. So definitely be reading ahead, take a peek through their chapter. We'll probably go through to about verse 34, okay? So you can read ahead and check that out. And just reading it myself reminded me of something this past Friday. Lisa and I went up to Seashell Inlet, got on the boat, just the two of us, which was really nice, and went out fishing. And my wife hooked into a rock cod. And wow, it was exciting. When it came up, it was about that big. And so we took that fish off the hook, and rock cod are always under a little bit of shock when they hit the surface. And so he was hanging on the surface, and there was an eagle swooping around. And sure enough, down came that eagle. It was so beautiful and majestic, and it just swept down. We saw the claws come, and it grabbed with its talons that little fish, and we didn't get a meal, but that eagle did. It was awesome, and it was pretty cool just to look at it. Now, Jesus said something really cool in chapter 12 here. He said this. He said, don't be anxious about your life. In fact, what you should do is consider the birds, like we were, watching that eagle that day. Jesus said, don't be anxious about your body and the clothes that you wear. You should consider the flowers of the field. Like, they don't compare. Solomon and all of his wealth and all of his wisdom didn't dress as well as a flower of the field. And all the worry that you can have about your body and about food, Jesus said the Lord provides for the birds of the air. So he said this, consider the birds, consider the flowers of the field. And I don't know where you're at, what you got going on in your heart and mind, maybe what anxiety you might have, what you might be worrying about. But I'll tell you this, Jesus said this, you should consider the birds. So, if you've got anxiety happening, worrying happening, maybe it's time just to go out in the yard and look at the flowers and remind yourself that God clothed them. To look at the birds and to remind yourself that God feeds them and you don't need to worry. Jesus, in fact, said this to that crowd. He said this, the Father knows the number of hairs on your head, and he cares for you more than the birds and more than the flowers of the field. And so, hey, I just want to encourage you in this today. Go and consider the birds. Go and look at the flowers of the field, and remember, your Father loves you more. So, hey, we'll be here tomorrow, Sunday at 9:30 to be in Luke chapter 12 and to worship together. We'll look forward to our time. We'll see you then.